have. The first trade is opened, 99 bucks I invested. As you can see, we have broken through middle line of the Donchian channel, plus we have broken through two moving averages, confirming that we are currently in the strong buy zone. Now we are hitting the upper edge of the Donchian channel, which is acting like the resistance line zone, but we are highly likely to break through it. So that's why let's just relax and see what will we get. Here we have opened buy position. As you can see, we have the price to be oversold as fuck. According to the aeronaut, so the price is really oversold. We don't have enough space for the continuation of the current drop. Moreover, we had several attempts to break through the bottom line, the support line of the Donchian channel, but all of these attempts were unsuccessful. So that's why now we're highly likely to start growing, and that's why we have opened buy position. So this trade is also closed with profit. We have $364 on the account right now. Euro USD, maybe something interesting. The end of the growth, the reversal moment in the price. Highly likely we will drop. That's why I decided to open buy position. I'll explain you why. Firstly, this drop, which I saw at first time, it's already over because the price is already oversold. So we don't have enough space for the continuation of this drop. Moreover, according to the moving averages, we failed to break through them. At first we showed that we are below these moving averages, but then price got back above them very fast, showing that buyers are still prevailing on the market. So that's why we have opened buy position here, investing our whole deposit once again. Let's see what will we get. We close the trade with profit. We have $653 on the account right now. Let's continue pumping deposit, guys. Now we have opened one more buy position. Same currency pair. As you can see, the previous bullish candle helped us to make the bullish consumption of the bearish fall. Now the second candle is continuing the previous action. We are growing, and we are growing really significantly. We have broken through moving averages, two of them. We have broken through the middle line of the Keltner channel, and now we're even breaking through the correct upper edge of this channel. And if we continue, then price will be growing like completely non-stop. This is really good. For now we have $1,143 on the account. Now the end of the deal, we are trying to open buy position as a continuation of the current growth. Nothing serious. Price is just growing in the strict upgoing channel. The price is above two moving averages. No downgoing corrections. No changes in the direction. Just growth. So it's better just to follow that trend and to open buy position as we have already done. Let's just wait and see what will we get from here. And by the way, guys, while we are waiting for the results of this trade, don't forget to open the description of this video and get access to the best trading channel ever using the link in the description. In my channel you will get best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more stuff that will help you to become professional experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. Well, this trade is also closed with profit. We have $2,194 on the account. I'm craving for more, so that's why let's open sell position at the AUD and the currency pair. Why? Because as you can see, price was stopped by the strong resistance line zone. Moreover, price was overbought. Now we need to have a cool down. That's why we decided to open sell position here, expecting the potential drop. Price is growing and the trade is closed with profit. We have $4,214 on the account. This looks really good. Same currency pair, AUD and AUD. I have opened one more buy position because price has already broken through all resistance line zones that we had. Nothing can stop us, at least for the next 5 minutes, but we are trading binary options, so that's why 5 minutes for us is something like 5 hours. That's why we have a lot of space for the current growth. Let's just use it and get money from it. Three points, but still things got. We closed this with profit. It was too risky, but still, I think it's enough for today. We have almost lost all deposit, but things got. We closed the final trade with profit, so we have $8,100 on the account. This is amazing results that we have right now. We have multiplied our balance around 8 times more. What can I tell you? Absolutely possible results. I have shown it to you right now, and you can repeat it yourself. And all you need for this is just right now open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG and use all information here for studying and becoming professional trader. So don't waste your time. You know where to find the link. And I wish you the best, happiest, and the most successful day ever. See you all and bye-bye.